How to hang new curtains so you can knock it out of the park. This is a curtain rod. You'll use brackets to attach it to the wall. Okay, if you're installing over drywall or plaster, you do want to know where the framing is. Now, luckily, over windows, you always have what's called a header, which is a really thick piece of lumber holding the weight up above. So that header will give you solid wood to put your brackets in. Here, I've already pre-measured where I want these particular curtain brackets to hit, 3 inches out from the window and 4 inches up. Your bracket kit will come with provided brackets, the fasteners needed, and instructions. This particular kit actually has nails, which is probably easier to use than screws. This is the only materials list. Could not be simpler. I want the top to align with where I pre-marked it. As the nail gets driven further in, you can feel when you hit solid wood. Now for your second and third bracket, here I'm going to use a level to make sure that we're perfectly level all the way across. You may be installing 2 brackets, 3, or even more. Now with the brackets installed firmly, they are bolted right to the header framing of your house. You're going to move on to the rods. Now, every drape or curtain that I have ever seen has this little pocket at the top. You'll just feed in the rod right through your drapes or curtains. Do the same thing to the other side and put them together. Now, in most cases, you also have a thumbnail back here that you can tighten so the rod doesn't move around and it'll stay in place. Curtain rods installed by yourself in just a few minutes. Hey, I knew you could do it. We'll see you next week.